Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add a video to Docs. We'll cover two straightforward methods to enhance your documents with dynamic content. First, we'll explore embedding videos directly from a link, a quick way to integrate content from platforms like YouTube. Then, we'll discuss uploading video files directly from your device. By the end, you'll be able to seamlessly incorporate visual elements, making your documents more engaging and informative for your audience. To embed a video using a link, begin by copying the shareable URL from your preferred video hosting service. Next, open your document and navigate to the Insert menu. From there, select Video and then choose the By URL option. Simply paste your copied link into the designated field and click Insert. You can then easily resize and reposition the video within your document to fit your layout perfectly, ensuring a clean and professional appearance. If you prefer to upload a video file directly, first ensure your file is in a widely supported format, such as MP4 or MOV. In your document editor, go to the Insert menu, select Video, and then choose Upload. Browse your computer to select the desired video file. Be mindful of potential file size limits, which are often around 250 megabytes. Once uploaded, the video will appear in your document, ready for you to adjust its placement and size. For optimal results, always consider best practices when adding videos. Optimize your video's resolution to ensure quick loading times without sacrificing quality. Crucially, add descriptive alt text to each video for improved accessibility, benefiting users with screen readers. Strategically place videos to complement your text, enhancing the overall flow and understanding of your content. Finally, always test playback on various devices to guarantee a smooth viewing experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.